Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be decorating the baby's Christmas tree. So I'm here with my sister, Lindsay.
Hi.
I call her Linz, and she calls me Steph. Right. And we are not twins.
No, we're not.
We're not twins, but we are obviously sisters.
We are.
But we do have matching nails. We didn't plan that.
We didn't plan that.
We do have matching cups and straws.
And we do have the same car.
Yeah, we do have the same car. We're in Lindsay's car right now, but my car looks just like this.
But we're not twins.
But we're not twins. We're not twins.
Just have good taste.
Yeah. And she's helping me today with the baby's Christmas tree. So we're at Hobby Lobby. We're gonna take you shopping with us to buy all the fun pink ornaments, and then we're gonna set up the tripod and decorate the tree and just take you guys along with us. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's gonna be like very casual, very vlog style. It's gonna be fun.
Yay! I like the nudes, but like it's like rose gold.
Yes, it's like a ballet pink, right?
Yes. Like rose gold. I like that. Oh, look at these. Those are cute.
So cute. I think we should pick out the ribbon
my
first.
Gosh, look at the lace. Okay, you said you want to do ribbon first. Oh, that is so precious. This is going home with me.
Lindsay's gonna be doing a... Oh, let me help you. Let me help you. Okay. Linz, what tree are you gonna be doing this year?
So this year, I'm going for a rustic, woodsy, like backwoods cabin look. Yes. That's what I'm going for.
So this is the section for Linz right now. Yeah. So we're kind of doing some two-for shopping right now.
Look at the owls. I just can't. Look how cute that is. And the pine cones, you see? And it's like a cinnamon stick.
But does it smell? Here, smell.
I think it's fake.
No.
Oh yeah, that does not smell good. Oh, look at the bear. I love that. That is so sweet.
This actually might be good for baby girls. Is this copper or pink? I can't tell. I think it's copper.
Is this an ornament or a banner? Oh, it's a
banner.
banner. It says Merry Christmas on it. Oh, I think I'm gonna get this.
Okay, the ribbon. Okay, I think that this is really sweet with the... But I don't want them both to be flat. So if you do one, it's flat. The other one can't be flat. So, like the pink snowflake, and then like the pink flat.
I like that.
That's 5-foot people problems. I'm not 5 foot, but this is really pretty.
Oh, I love it. It's like a rose gold.
Okay, I like this. I want to find more of this. What do you think, Linz? Which ones do you like?
I like the 3 together, actually.
You're right. Let's do the 3.
I think we should do the 3. Oh, I like that, but isn't this one goes with that one, I think. Like,
got it.
I prefer this one. But it still has more of a gold in it. Does that bother you?
No, I like it. Here's what we're working with. We're gonna have the snowflake, this one or this one, like either all these 3, or we're gonna do these 3. So we're gonna go see the bigger accessories, and then from there choose which set of ribbon we want. We just found these. Aren't these the cutest little things? This is gonna be perfect.
I love this.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We love it. Okay, show them what we. Whoops! Show them what we did.
Okay.
Isn't this so pretty together? Like,
I love that.
The white and like the champagne and the beads.
It all coordinates beautifully.
So we're gonna get a few of these.
And it doesn't even matter like which like ribbon we buy. It all goes together.
It all works. It's busy. It's busy today.
And they're 50% off.
Here we go. Oh, okay, so
50% off, people. So you should get the amount, because it's like a tall tree. So you want to do it like from left to right, left to right. So you should like count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You at least need 5, I think.
Yeah.
Or maybe even 6.
I think 6. Lynn's got distracted. Lindsay in her natural habitat.
Look what I found!
She got this for her tree. I think that's everything. Yeah. You're okay. It's raining. Okay, I think we're good. Let's go. Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A!
We did what any girl would do on a rainy Christmas Hobby Lobby shopping day. We went to Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Nothing better.
And then we're going to work on the tree. We have snow all over us right now, but we have the tree up. This is the little tree that we have upstairs, and Lynn's is gonna help me decorate it for the baby girl. So I'm making this tree the baby girl's tree this year, although when she comes and she's born, she's gonna get a completely different tree in her bedroom. So it's gonna be fun, yeah. So this is just in honor of her. And we got all the stuff. We have the ribbon in here. So we're gonna get started. So ta-da! This is the tree. What do you think, Linz?
I love it.
I love it too. And I love how my aunt gave me these pink ornaments, which make it really sweet and special. So that's gonna be nice. But this is the baby girl tree this year, and I like how it turned out.
I think it's really sweet. It looks like something in the Nutcracker.
Yeah, I think maybe eventually that might be a theme for her.
For sure.
For one of her trees in the future nursery. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video and coming along on this little adventure with us. And if you want to see how I decorate our main tree downstairs in the house, please subscribe. I would love to have you. You know, and if you want to even see how we transform this house, because we have to basically transform this whole upstairs for the baby, I would love it if you were to subscribe. And thanks for watching. So I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Bye guys.